outside, and we're actually waiting on rain chances to arrive here in the next few hours. We have southeasterly winds, so places like Waukegan significantly cooler, down to 43 degrees, but it's 54 at O'Hare, 55 in Gary. Same thing in Aurora, 56 in Joliet, 55 in Morris, and it's 56 degrees in Rensselaer. The radar still quiet over Chicagoland, but notice off to our west and southwest, we're starting to see those showers developing, and then that's going to be arriving throughout the evening. The overnight, there's a very small chance that we could be seeing a couple rumbles of thunder, but no strong or severe thunderstorms are expected tonight. In fact, most of this is likely just going to be scattered rain shower activity. Then tomorrow, we have very gusty winds on tap, low relative humidity. Temperatures are going to be soaring into the mid, maybe even sneaking into the upper 60s. So we actually have a fire weather watch that's been issued for locations that you can see here, especially across northeastern Illinois. And essentially what this means is that outdoor burning is not recommended, and any fires could spread very rapidly on Wednesday. And then by Thursday, we have another storm system coming through, and that's going to be bringing in the threat of strong to severe thunderstorms, especially for locations along and south of I-80. Southern Newton and Jasper counties actually highlighted in a slight risk from the Storm Prediction Center. That's a level 2 of 5. So for tonight, 50 degrees, very mild conditions. Tomorrow we're in the 60s, lots of sunshine during the day. Thursday we have that storm chance, highs near 59. Then we drop to the 40s on Friday, drying things out over the weekend. Temperatures this weekend will be in the 30s. Back to you. Over, and now we're waiting on our rain chances going into this evening. So we do have scattered showers that are going to be arriving this evening into tonight, and it's all going to clear out of here before daybreak on Wednesday. But tonight temperatures stay so mild. We're only dropping down to about 50 degrees, although we will have gusty winds as high as about 30 miles per hour. And speaking of gusty winds, outdoor burning highly not recommended tomorrow because we have that fire weather watch that's going to be in effect for all of northeastern Illinois. Tomorrow's temperatures 66 degrees, very windy, lots of sun, and then we have showers and thunderstorms on tap for Thursday. Back to you. 53 degrees in Waukegan, 59 in Joliet, and 56 degrees in Kankakee. Same thing in Rensselaer. Here's where things stand right now. Running a little bit cooler across portions of the area because of that southeasterly wind flow coming in right off of Lake Michigan. So places like Waukegan have actually dropped down to about 44, but it's still 54 degrees at O'Hare. Sad, the radar right now showing that we have some rain that is developing off to our west. This is a sign of things to come. So we're going to have some scattered rain showers building in here over the next few hours. That's going to last through the evening and into the early morning hours. But any rainfall is going to be out of here before daybreak on Wednesday. So that's going to set us up for a really nice day tomorrow. But something that we're going to have to keep a close eye on tomorrow is, one, it's going to be very, very warm. We're looking at highs that are going to be in the 60s, but it's coming along with very gusty winds. We'll have west-southwesterly winds, gusting as high as 35 to 40 miles per hour. In addition to very low relative humidity. So that's going to be kind of a dangerous combination for any outdoor burning. So you are highly recommended not to have any sort of outdoor burning tomorrow. We have a fire weather watch that has been issued for most of northeastern Illinois that is going to last from Wednesday morning through Wednesday night. And then after tomorrow, attention then is going to turn to our next storm system coming through. That's going to be bringing in the chance of maybe a couple strong or severe thunderstorms to look out for on Thursday. And if this does come to fruition on Thursday, I think the time frame that we're a little more concerned about is going to be late afternoon into the evening hours with some of those strong, maybe severe thunderstorms. So here's what the Storm Prediction Center is showing. Areas especially along and south of I-80 in a marginal risk. That's a level 1 of 5. And then in southern Newton and Jasper counties, that risk jumps to a slight risk. That's a level 2 of 5, so slightly elevated the farther south that you go. Your 5-day forecast here as far as temperatures are concerned, soak in that warmth while we have it. 60s tomorrow. We're in the 50s then to near 60 degrees on Thursday. But then following Thursday's storm system, temperatures begin to take a dive. So 45 degrees, that's your high on Friday. I think we're going to hit that in the early morning hours. Most of the daytime, we're likely going to spend in the upper 30s to low 40s. Futurecast taking us throughout this evening and tonight. Again, we do have those showers moving through, but once the cold front clears the area, I think we're going to be clearing out the cloud cover through the day tomorrow as well. So lots of sunshine on Wednesday, highs near 66, 59 degrees, showers and thunderstorms expected on Thursday. On Friday, we're going to dry things out. Skies are also going to remain partly sunny. We're in the mid 40s for highs on Friday, and then 30s take shape for the weekend ahead. Above average at least through the end of this work week, and then going into the weekend, that's when we start to see some cooler air build again. Let's take a look.